Send your scores, total score, chemistry score as is followed by total score. Exactly within 3 minutes you have to send all scores. Send everyone. Little bit fast. Huh? I need to see how much score you got. Alright, fast. Type it everyone. Total score followed by, means your chemistry score followed by total. Good, good. That's the way. Good, fast. I have already a list with me. I can see that should be match each other. I have all your list. I opened already. I'm going to check who are honesty people or not also. So send correct score. All school wise I have score. Okay. Still all people not send scores. Still. If I read names, suppose your name is not there here means the different type of work you will get, sir. I won't say punishment. You will get maybe write complete notes 5 times, 6 times, like that type of you will get. So send your score. I have that one already with me. They sent already everyone WhatsApp, every faculty school wise. Okay. Any doubts you may can ask your doubts. Doubts also you can ask, sir. Any doubts? Five. Total that is only chemistry score. Santru Sasuke. 95 is chemistry total score. Please send that is. Giri Prakash 89. Balamurugan 91. How was the chemistry paper first? Any question came out of syllabus? Any question? I told very clearly water purification also you have to study. But I don't know how many people this done that is. Okay, leave it. If any question is wrong, fine. But at least remaining questions you attempted or not, check it. Is there any single question out of syllabus which you didn't thought but that came that is like that? Yeah, actually supposed to be need to ask questions based on degree of hardness. But I given theoretical questions. Still, how we got so many people very less score? Still, too many people they got very less score, sir. If any doubts, you can send it. If you don't have any doubts, we'll pursue that one. I'm asking any questions is there? Any doubts? I think we are getting solutions also, na? Along with question. Molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density. That is the formula. No? Molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density is the relation. Nothing is there any other relation. They're asking average weight. Through questions also have to learn something. Don't think that upon everything. If any good question is there, you have to note down in class notes that question. Suppose you are asking with respect to air average weight equal to whatever they given. Suppose oxygen 20% something they mention. So oxygen is 20%, nitrogen is N2 is 79%. Something gas they given again 1% is CO2. Suppose they mention this type of things. Doesn't matter whatever they given MA average equal to their percentage. Suppose this 20% means 0.2 into O2 molecular weight 32 plus nitrogen. Suppose 79% means 0.79 into 28. 1% CO2 means suppose this is CO2 they mention. So CO2 is 44 into 1%, 0.1 by 100. This is the average molecular weight. If you are taking 20% directly, then keep here 100. Doesn't matter. Right, through questions, you have to learn something. Suppose any question, good question came. then you need to note down in class notes, or that concept you have to note it down in class notes. There is student collection, that is your collection, sir, because every question we can't discuss in class. If any good question came in class, then you have to note down that concept. Okay, this type of questions will come. That your collection. End of the day, suppose you are writing an error notebook. This book is the not only your mistake, sir. Things you are writing which you done mistake, that question, that concept name, then solution also you have to write that question solution. That is the error notebook. If good question is there, write question also, then followed by its solution. When you are revising that type of that notes weekly once or twice, you can get different models also. At least weekly 2 models we are getting, that 2 also too good. Weekly 2 models is good. Clear? So up to Niels Bohr's model atomic structure, sir, this week. Up to Niels Bohr model. Okay, send me anyone you got 95 plus. Please send it. Score. Anyone you got 95 plus? Chemistry. Anyone 95? Anyone you got 90 plus? 85 plus? Devadarshan 92, Ashwin 91. Still now. Any other please? 85 Krishna, Balamurugan 91, Anish 85. So still 92 is the highest marks. Japit also 92. Anyone more than 92? Okay, write today your test analysis properly, error notebook. I'm going to be ask you who got less than 60. Those you need to send your test analysis, error notebook through WhatsApp. Today write and send it, sir. Any doubts you may can ask, otherwise who got less than 60 marks, including 60. Who got 60 and less than 60 marks, send that me error notebook. How we wrote, which question you done mistake, that concept name and reasons. Why you done mistake. You may can write, sir, whatever exactly reason you can write. You didn't study, maybe you are playing mobile game, whatever reasons you can write, sir. Atish, why that happened with you? Suppose you wrote everything is good, means you should not get like that, na? Maybe one question mistake. Every question is not mistake, na? వందక మార్క్స్ అని 100కి 80 90 95 ఇక్కడ కూడా తప్పు చేయట్లేదు క్వశ్చన్ కూడా నెగిటివ్ మార్క్స్ మళ్ళీ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ నెగిటివ్ మార్క్స్ అది నువ్వు చేసేదాన్ని బట్టి ఉంటుంది ఈసారి ఒక పేపర్ ఇస్తారా నేను కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తాను స్టాక్యుమెంటరీ మీద రాయను అది ప్రింట్అవుట్ అని తీసుకొద్దు లేదా నీ మొబైల్ పంపిస్తాను So what we discussed last, what I'm expecting, I hope you got it. 60 marks and less than 60. Write error notebook and everyone you can write error notebook, not only those people. I will see this week who got less than below 60 marks, and next week I will see even upper also. Arey Pranav, I need that error book. What you done silly mistake, send me question wise. I need to see that mistake what you done. Arey don't want reasons. Write each question, whatever you done mistakes, write on paper, send me that one. I have your list already. Who got less than 60? Okay. Array, I am trying to help you to get good score. If you're not telling mistakes, then I can't help you. Who can expose their mistake towards me? I can help you more. Those can get up to end of the day very good score. At least they can shine in front of me, end of the day very good rank. We have to tell too many mistakes of you. Too many mistakes, whatever that mistakes. You have to show that angle. Even leave it other people, your parents you don't like to show, leave that one. But you have to show your teacher another angle, which is your mistakes angle. Don't think negatively, sir, make an assume badly something. No, you have to send every mistake, what type of mistakes you are doing, everything I need to know that one. Okay. I need all your mistakes. Please send that one. Who got less than 60 and 60 also. Check it. Okay, what's the last class we discussed? So I think so all 6 properties you completed, amplitude and everything. Those you completed, wave number, amplitude, 6 characters of wave. Very good, very good. Yes, this week atomic structure up to Bohr's model, sir. Niels Bohr's model. Send your analysis, huh? I will see that one, how you are writing error notebook also. I can guide you that one. Our target is next year advanced exam. Up to that, we have to shine ourselves. All mistakes you have to expose to your teacher. Then you can guide properly. Then you have to, your training should be very good. Then only you can get. If you are not telling your mistakes, final exam will get. Maybe you didn't get anything. Huh? You know that one, huh? We'll get some maybe relaxed reactions, also some questions. Maybe chances is there. Some basic concepts plus relaxed reactions, at least you'll get 4 or 5 questions. Then remaining is atomic structure. Right? Solve one question. I think yesterday we given some formulas. Frequency and wavelength relation I given. Nu and lambda equal to constant, that is C. So based on this formula, I'm giving one more question. Please try it. At least 1 or 2 questions. Calculate nu bar inverse and frequency nu. Yellow radiation have wavelength 5800 angstroms. Try this question. Wave number, frequency, both you need to calculate for wavelength of 5800 angstroms. Got it? Hey, you didn't understand how to do that question. So you can formalize everything here only, no? So frequency equal to C by lambda. C equal to 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second by 5800, 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Then calculate frequency will get. So nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, nothing but 1 by 5800 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is your answers. Frequency how much you are getting? Approximately 5.1 into 10 power 14 second inverse. You got it? Calculate your answers. See values. ఫాస్ట్ ఉంటుంది లైట్ వెలాసిటీ ఏం లేదు కదా దీంట్లో ఏం ఉంటుంది మీటర్స్లో అది సెంటీమీటర్స్లో check it your answers. Array, we have only one small formula based on that a given question. You make it right. Huh? So do remaining questions also interconversions. If I am giving frequency, you need to find out wavelength. If I given wavelength, you need to find out frequency. So all are interconversions. Lambda, wave number, and frequency. You may can check NCERT also they have books, but still we are giving here 200 nanometers. Simple calculations I am giving 300 nanometers. So hedge means what they given, sir? Frequency. So you need to calculate nu bar and lambda interconversions. So what I given fourth one, sir? Anyone can you find out? What is the fourth one I given? Out of these three, which is I given? Fourth one. Symbol you can send it, otherwise. Wave number, very good. So I given wave number means you need to find out lambda and wave. Light velocity, you should be remember that one, sir. That's they won't provide C value. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So into you can convert into centimeter per second also, you can try it. The NCRT problem number 2.3. Right, sir? NCRT problem 2.3. I think so. 2.4 already be done. 2.5 already done. 2.4 also you can try it. All these are your homework, sir. You can try it all these questions. Completed? So you can do this or homework, sir. Then you can go further. If you noted down that question, I can do next one. This hedge means okay. Second inverse you can note down, sir. Otherwise, second inverse or HZ, anyone you can note down. Note it down. Okay, finally here in this chapter we are going to be studying electron is some theory supported as a particle, some theories which is modern theories they are telling wave character, and this is wave character, some dual nature. Okay, so finally electron we are going to decide particle character supported some theories, and some theory they said dual character, and finally someone they are telling wave character. Clear? So we are assuming starting cases when starting of the atomic structure developing, there everyone they are assuming that one electron is a particle character. So that is the reason particle nature means which you are applying all the velocity formulas, momentum formulas, energy formulas you can apply, Newton laws, which is those things you have physics, and they are calculated these things. And dual character they came here means some wave character is there, some particle character, that is a dual nature. And finally they are telling electron completely wave, there is no particle character, like that. Understood? So now we are going to discuss about particle character, sir. Yes, sir, dual nature and everything. Alright, see here I am going to discuss about electron character. First thing I am going to find out. Is it particle or wave? Like that. Alright, correct. That is going to be developing now one by one here. Dual character, then followed by wave character. So this is the ultimate theme, wave character. The step by step. Old version is particle characters. After that, little bit develop that one. No, that is not a particle that have dual character, particle as well as wave character. Then finally they said only wave character. They're developing step by step. So you are studying from old character onwards. Array, all questions are from NCRT only. Just note down that values. Array, who are asking right now? Can you show above question? Still now you are sleeping, sir. Then why you are asking right now? I given too much time. Na? Still now that same thing I shown that one. Are you sleeping still now? Array, you people are sleeping, then you are asking again same questions. What I can do for you? Huh? I told you very clearly this week portion, but again you people are asking what is the portion, sir, this week. When I am discussing about portion, what you are doing at the time? So finally what you understood, sir? So I am going to discuss here electron character. That's the main theme, sir. Whole atomic structure concept is only thing, sir. So try to prove electron character, then finding of electron location. Atomic structure, I think you got it. Arrangement of proton, neutron, electrons. That's one structure of atom. So we got it, proton, neutrons present in the nucleus. Then next question is electron. Where is the electrons? The arrangement of electron only we are discussing all this chapter. Clear? Someone they are assuming particle, then they are explaining atomic structure. After some time, someone they are assuming this is not the electron character, wave character. When they decide wave character means which is they provided all atomic theories based on particle character is wrong. Then you can't study those things. Then you have to change all atomic structure to particle character to wave character. That's a new thing, that is quantum mechanics. Old one is particle character, that is Bohr's model. You getting my point? So I think you got little bit idea what you are going to do here. We can discuss now particle character, which is they are explaining by particle character. One is Planck's quantum theory. Particle character, sir, which is explained. So in our chemistry, we are going to be study mostly Planck's quantum theory properly and photoelectric effect. This part we are not going to be stressed too much because this we have in physics. Okay, maybe we can skip also. Just I am going to use definition, then I'm going to skip that one. Okay, but first and last I am going to discuss properly. Right, first one, Planck's quantum theory. Right, Planck's quantum theory, first one siding. Right, sir. The radiant energy, Planck's quantum theory, sir. First one you can write siding, Planck's quantum theory. Right, radiant energy emitted or absorbed the radiant energy emitted or absorbed by a body not continuously but discontinuously of small discrete packets. Discrete packets of energy. And these packets are called quantum. I will explain everything, you don't worry. Every point I will explain, just note down. Quantum. Right? This is the first point. I will explain every point, just note down. If you have NCERT book, you can open, you can copy, doesn't matter here. Right? In case of light, next point, sir. In case of light, the smallest packet of energy smallest packet of energy is called as a photon. Yes, yes, I will give you that meaning. Will give sir. Like quantum, quantization, everything I will mention that word. You can see first point 2 to 3 times. You can understand. Otherwise, you can see that is I will explain. Photon. You can write underline this one, sir. Photon. But in general case, general case, the smallest packet of energy called as quantum. I think you can note down this point. The energy of each quantum is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation. Of the radiation. That means we can write E directly proportional to frequency. Then you can remove proportional constant. I can write H nu. H is a Planck's constant. Okay. I can write here E equal to, in place of nu I can write C by lambda, because nu into lambda equal to C. From that nu equal to C by lambda you can write. Then even nu H into C into 1 by lambda equal to nu bar I can write, sir. 1 by lambda equal to nu bar. So this we can write 1 lambda equal to nu bar. Hello, this is indirectly H into C by 1 lambda. Is it correct? Well, I'm going to be every point I'm going to be explained. Just give me 1 minute time. In place of nu, what you can write, sir? C by lambda. C by lambda nothing but 1 by lambda, not C into. In place of 1 by lambda, I'm writing nu bar. So this is the formula related to energy. Each point you can come to the back. If you complete it, we'll go back and come. We'll discuss that one. Once you complete it, let me know that one. All right, fourth point also, then we can discuss everything. The energy emitted or absorbed emitted or absorbed by a body is always an integral multiple of quanta. Means E equal to NH nu. N equal to, you can write 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is only called quantization also, sir. You may can write. This is also called quantization. Just multiplication of with when. That's only called quantization. I have completed, then it's start to explain. Let me know if completed. I will use our Planck's constant value also I will provide. Otherwise you may can write Planck's constant value. All books are given. Okay. Completed. Whatever they given, all the points very simple. That is, if you are taking any hot body, this is the body. Okay, you make an assume this is hot body that releases energy or absorbing energy in the form of quanta. Means we are assuming starting cases. This is the body, means it releases energy continuously like this. This is the continuous we are assuming. Continuously energy release. This is we are assuming starting cases. This continuous means like wave only. This is think that one. But it could not explain some cases. That's why I'm going to discuss one of the cases, black body relation also. But Planck's given energy that won't releases this continuously. That energy releases in the form of discrete packets. Okay, like this is. So it will come. This is one packet. Again, this is one packet. It won't be releases continuously. This is discrete packets. Discrete, I think so. Meaning you know that one. That never releases continuously. This is the, we're assuming that one starting, but it's not considering Planck's. This is continuous, not continuous. This is discontinuous and discrete packets. All these things. Each packet we called one quanta. Each energy packet. This is one energy packet. I note down here only. Later you can reading. When you are reading, you can understand easily. This each one they are calling quanta. Okay, this is only one energy packet. This is equal to one energy packet. So each energy packets are all are identical. They are taking each energy packet E equal to h nu. Each energy packet equal to h nu. If too many energy packets is there, that's I am going to be call you n h nu. Suppose here too many energy packets, each energy packet equal to h nu. Yes, correct. These are discontinuous or discrete, whatever the pronunciation. You are very well in English. You can write. So black body always releases, and sorry, not only black body, according to him. So any body that is hot body or energy releases energy source in the form of packets. He is telling that one, whenever sun releases energy, that's also like in the form of energy packets only, that they called photon. Special name they given, photon. That photon also equal to h nu only energy. Energy is equal to E equal to h nu. Please, you can ask all the doubts whatever you have, sir. Are you need to memorize Devdarshan. Memorize, that is better. All proton, electron, masses and charges you can memorize. That is easy for us. Are assumption of Planck's quantum theory we given, that is one by one. Or the first point we can read that one, sir. Radiation is always associated with definite amount of energy and is known as radiant energy. That radiant energy in the form of energy packet, sir. We may can see first point. The radiant energy emitted or absorbed a body not continuous but discontinuous of small discrete packets of energy, and these packets are called quantum. It got? So which is the quantum, sir? This is quantum. Each energy packet is one quantum. Understood? Note on this simple diagram. This is, that's energy source. After that, second point, sir. In case of light, the smallest packet of energy is called photon. But in general case, the smallest packet of energy is called quantum. That's only again they are telling. Generally quantum, but in the case of light only they are said photon. When they called photon, whenever light is emitted energy, that is in the form of particles, that is photon. But remaining cases in general we called quantum. Quanta. What is the next point they given? The energy of each quantum is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation. So their related energy is directly proportional to frequency. Then proportionality constant, we remove that one. We are writing different forms. Energy emitted or absorbed by a body is always in integral multiple of quantum. Okay, that is the given integral multiple means n value, sir. That is integral multiple. This is called only known as quantization also. Please check it. What's your doubts? Please, you may can ask, sir, the doubts. Only, you will get only some, sir, nothing. What is the two formulas, sir? Again, may I know that one? What is the two formulas? Which one? Two formulas? May I know that one? Majority of the questions is only problems. E to h nu is for one photon energy. N h nu means n times. Too many photons is there, na? One photon energy equal to E equal to h nu. But n h nu is n photons. Planck's constant. You can note down, sir. Someone they are asking Planck's constant. We can find out in book also, but right still. H equal to, right? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, not joule per second. Please keep in mind. This is joule second. Don't write your own joule per second. H equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 27 erg second, not per second. Please note down. Got it? Now problems you can try based on this formula, which is most of the problems they are asking only this is the formula. If they given frequency value, then substitute H value also, then calculate energy. If they given wavelength, which is given previous questions are all this wavelength and frequency, get energy also. For same questions you can try energy also. Even you can add E also formula. Energy also you can add, try it. -34 minus 34 only, correct only. No, what is the problem? This 10 power minus 34. Please note down, sir. This 10 power minus 34 joule second, erg second. Try some problems. We'll discuss tomorrow. If you done at least 5 problems, that's too good. Okay. I hope you understood. Or if you are not understanding, doesn't matter. Go and read today NCERT book, something idea given. Na? Then come tomorrow again. We'll discuss tomorrow. But take challenge. Try some problems today. But next exam at least we'll try, sir. Atomic structure, easy chapter. We have to try at least 100 out of 100. Everyone you have to get at least 75 plus. Can't say reasons. Who got this time less than 60? Thank you. Thank you very much. Take it break, sir. Now this is your break time. If you have any doubts, you may can ask. Otherwise, remaining people can take break. Yes, correct, Ashwin. Photon is the energy which is releases by sun. There is nothing but energy. Nityashri, I can't tell for one class 10 times portion. Huh? So next class I will announce today. Leave that one. We can do next class. Already 4 to 5 times I announced that portion this week. But again you are asking means maybe you slept whole class, then you are wake up right now, then you are asking. I think so. Okay, take break. We'll see later. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, don't forget tomorrow. Error, that is error which you note down, error book. Huh? Correct, correct. Correct, correct. Quanta is a floral form. Mithun, correct. You are correct, sir. Are Pawan, you are also correct. The constant means you have to remove that proportional. You have to keep one constant for particular substance. Take break. Other teacher may be waiting. Centimeter in what? 1 by lambda అంటే ఎంత?